Video we're going to show you how to remove the radio, CD player and the navigation monitor from Land Rover LR4 2012, which is similar to some other years. The tools that you need is this size T20 Torx screwdriver and a small flat screwdriver and just a bunch of dashboard removal tool. First step, you drop the panel underneath the steering column and just remove it and put it on the side. By the way, we already made everything loose. This is just for the demonstration only. And this step, you pop up the ignition start switch. You can use a flat screwdriver or just dashboard removal tool to pop it out. And then you unplug the connector. And the next step, you just pop up this wood panel on the top. It has actually two screws on the top, size T20 Torx, which you need to remove, which then you can pop out the chrome panel. Now we are going to remove the ashtray. Just push it out and then slide it up. Now we are going to remove the side panel. You open the glove box and then use your dashboard removal tool. Just pop the panel out and then insert your hand in there and then grab it and pull it forward. And remember, it's a little bit tight, but it's already loose. Yeah. And you do the same thing for the other side. Now in this step, we are going to remove all the 6 mounting screws, size T20 Torx. Once you get all this screwed out, you pull the panel forward and then you push this compartment for the ashtray down, and then you can pull the whole front panel for the AC control out, and then you can just disconnect the connector. And then you can see the single CD player, radio underneath. And now we are going to pop up the control panel and the clock for the radio. They're a little bit tight, you have to yank it out. And then you unplug it, it has 2 connectors. You can put it on the side. The radio has 4 mounting screws on this black plastic mounting, and then there is a screw for this electronic piece over here, which you need to disconnect it. And then once you get these 4 screws out plus disassemble that electronic piece, and then you can pull the radio forward. And before you do that, you have to cover your shifter so you won't get the scratches, and then you can pull the radio forward. And these are the connectors for the back of the radio. And to remove the monitor, it has also 4 screws. These are size T20 also. You can just remove the screws and then you can pull the monitor forward. And if you need any repair for the monitor, CD player, radio, you can send it to High Tech Electronic Services in Van Nuys, California, 818-785-8085.